How to use BMW X5 after changing the electric door. Press the car key unlock button twice and the door will open automatically. Step on the brake gently after getting on the car, and the main driver door automatically closes. The door switch is controlled through the control panel in the center console. Press and hold for 2 seconds to open the door. Tap to close the door. Push the door handle and the door opens automatically. With a gentle push, the door automatically closes. The rear buttons can also control the door opening and closing. Hold 2 seconds to open the door. Tap the door to close. Radar detection and obstacle avoidance function. Stop at an obstacle. The door continues to open after the barrier is removed. Finally, the car key locks the car and the door automatically closes.